After having her son in 2015, Hudson Falls, New York resident Carly Trice became inspired by friends and family who provided meals for her so that she could concentrate more on her newborn, thus cutting back on the need for grocery shopping and cooking. She thought that being able to send comfort and convenience to a friend or loved one in the form of a meal was a great idea, and as a result, with her father, she formed Send a Meal Today in September 2017. The meals she delivers run the gamut of food choices, such as mac and cheese with bacon, lasagna, beef or chicken stir-fry, many more. There are gluten-free and vegan options as well. Her customers include new parents, patients just home from the hospital, grieving loved ones, honeymooners returning home, thank you gifts, birthdays, and just because. Any occasion, even a housewarming party. So see the full menu and order online at sendamealtoday.com or call 518-222-7989. That's 518-222-7989. Send a meal today.